Bienvenidos. Welcome to Los Angeles County Museum of Art. I'm Maria.
And I'm Nini.
And together we oversee intergenerational family workshops in different parts of LA County.
Join us in this digital journey for fun new ways to experiment with art making and new ideas in the comfort of your own home.
Let's meet the amazing team that makes the magic happen.
Hi, my name is Bianca and I specialize in painting.
Hi, my name is Carmina and I specialize in mixed media, and here are some other mixed media artists.
Hi, I'm Angel. And I'm Leslie, also mixed media artist.
Hi, I'm Danny. I go by they, them, and I'm an illustrator as well as
Ivana. Hi.
This series introduces you to different art techniques and approaches.
We use fun, easy materials that make art accessible to all.
Online and in person, we strive to build community together and harness the transformative power of the arts. Because no matter our race,
Our gender,
Our abilities,
Nuestro lenguaje,
our skill levels,
our age,
o el color de nuestra piel,
we are all
creative individuals.
We can't wait to share all of our creative art making techniques with you. Not only do we offer online classes, we also offer in-person workshops throughout Los Angeles County. Before we provide information about how you can join us in the community, let's take a moment to listen to our land acknowledgement.
LACMA recognizes that we occupied land in Los Angeles County, originally and still inhabited and cared for by the Tongva, Tataviam, Serrano, Quiche, and Chumash peoples. We honor and pay respect to their elders and descendants, past, present, and emerging, as they continue their stewardship of the lands and waters in Los Angeles County. We acknowledge that settler colonization resulted in land seizure, disease, subjugation, slavery, relocation, broken promises, genocide, and multi-generational trauma. LACMA is committed to the County of Los Angeles' truth, healing, and reconciliation efforts, and to celebrating and elevating the stories, cultures, and community of the original inhabitants of Los Angeles County. We are grateful to have the opportunity to live and work on these ancestral lands. Through our work, we are committed to growing our relationships with Native peoples.
We hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to our incredible Communities Create LA video series. And don't forget to click the subscribe button to get alerts when new videos are released.